Alright, is it working? Yeah, alright, cool. So, we're going to be in a... You know what? You know what? Let's redo that. Alright, take 2. We're going to be in a... Why does it keep happening? Ugh. Alright, we're gonna... we are going to be, and whatever keeps happening, please do not happen. Oh, you know what? Dang it! I quit. I'm tired of this, dude. How would you ask someone what's going on? Okay, I'll do that. Yo, what? Do you know what's going on? Where does a fighter jet keep flying over here? Yeah, there's the Toyland Air Show. What? Yeah, it's the Toyland Air Show. There's all kinds of planes flying over. There's F-14s like what's flying over right now. There was a 757 that came an hour ago, and there was like an A350 that came a few minutes ago, and it did a little low pass over the Outback. Oh wow. Yeah, want to stay and watch? Okay. Oh wait, I gotta tell my friends. Guys. What? There's an air show going on. Oh, no wonder that fighter jet was flying all over the place. I know, let's watch. That was awesome.